investors to consider it. And this is our first venture into Europe proper.
Istovremeno ovo nam je prvi projekat u Evropi.
And that's exciting for us.
I to je za nas
I
uzbudljivo.
think climatically,
Mislim također u smislu klime.
a first-class destination.
Evropa je prvorazredna destinacija sa dobrim mogućnostima pristupa. Tako da mislim to nešto prirodno. I mislim da će biti uzbudljivo za nas.
New destination. You don't get an opportunity nowadays to create something and then
razvijate jednu potpuno novu destinaciju, takve se prilike ne pružaju često, zbog toga smo mi veoma sretni.
Why here and not another European country? What do you think wanted
Well, I think
zašto ste izabrali Crnu Goru, a ne neku
Firstly,
drugu
we were
evropsku zemlju?
approached
Prva, pristup
and given the opportunity to
i
consider.
šanse koje nam se pružaju.
I must say, we have actively not really considered Europe. We've been in the islands, we've been all over
Mi
the
zapravo
world.
nismo do sad uopšte razmišljali o Evropi
But when
aktivno.
we were approached
Bili smo
on
na
it,
ostrvima i na
it
drugim
seemed to me
mjestima. Ali
that it made a lot of sense.
kad smo počeli da analiziramo
as I say,
situaciju, zaključili smo da ima
it's as
puno
good as you're
smisla.
going to get in Europe.
Takođe,
I think
sa klimatske tačke,
Montenegro is unspoiled.
Crna Gora osim toga je
I think,
jedna
it's from a standpoint of having
nenarušena
yachting
priroda.
and
Zatim
it's
sa
just
tačke
got a lot of
gledišta
things going for it.
mogućnosti za
and
jahting,
the climate.
turizam i takođe posebno imajući u vidu klimu.
Plus, we're doing it with a government that are encouraging tourism.
Osim
And that's
toga
very,
imamo
very important.
saradnju sa vladom koja ohrabruje, postiče turizam. To je vrlo značajno.
Well, we don't necessarily have a tourist that goes to all the different destinations. You have
Da li
different
očekujete da turisti
marketplaces,
dođu
but I would hope
u
that
ovu
there be a
destinaciju, a ne
certain
neku drugu?
overlap,
Ali mi
particularly with
ne očekujemo da svi odu
one
sve
and
naše
onlys in,
destinacije, ali mislimo da će
the
biti i
Indian
nekog
Ocean.
preklapanja.
and the one and onlys in sorry.
Izvinjavam se.
Sorry, I should have put it off, but
Trebalo je da isključim telefon.
it's a little embarrassing.
Neprijatno je malo.
I'd report that.
Nemojte to da prenesete u vašim medijima.
As I say, I think it links well with the one and onlys in this part of the world. When I say
Mislim da
that,
se ova
not
destinacija One and Only
referencing
lijepo može
Mexico
uvezati sa nekom drugom, tako da ljudi dođu u jednom dijelu godine ili drugu, onda u ovu
I think there's
destinaciju.
a big segment of our clientele that do, in fact, enjoy going to different one and only.
I jedan dio naše klijentele uživa
So
da
I think
posjećuje različite One and
Alan
Only
and myself are
resorte.
quite excited.
Plus has that open up airlift. You know, as I said, the GCC countries we think will start to come. It follows very strongly out of Europe and out of Europe, a strong European following. So we feel confident with
Mi smo prilično uvjereni da će doći ljudi iz zemalja Savjeta za saradnju u zalivu, zatim Evropljani.
Also, climatically, I think it's
Također.
as good as you're going to get.
Kad je klima, mislim da je ovo velika prednost kad je klima u pitanju.